Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to swipe between different layers in ArcGIS. This would help in revealing what is underneath a selected layer interactively. To enable this, just right click on blank space and select Effects. Make sure you select a topmost layer from the drop-down. See, we have georeferenced and merged. Georeferenced is on the top. So in this drop-down, you select the topmost layer and click on this icon. If you click on this, you can easily swipe between two layers. See, now you can easily find out the change detection, and this would be also be helpful in georeferencing also. If the topo sheet is being georeferenced properly or not, you can check it from here. By swiping, you have to click left click of the mouse, you have to press it and you can start swiping horizontally and vertically also you can swipe. So here you can find out there is a change. If you see the road, this road, if you find out, I'll zoom this portion, this road on the image and on the topo sheet, they are not coinciding. So here you can see that this topo sheet layer is not being properly georeferenced. So in this way you can check out and put more GCPs, ground control points, to make your topo sheet georeferenced properly. Thank you.